This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get the credit card statement name for your PayPal transactions. This is important for financial reconciliation and understanding your spending. Often, you might see PayPal listed, or sometimes the actual merchant name. We will clarify these details step by step. Knowing what to expect makes managing your finances much simpler and prevents any confusion when reviewing your monthly statements. First, securely log into your PayPal account using your web browser or the official mobile application. Once you are logged in, locate the Activity or History tab, usually found on your main dashboard. This section serves as a comprehensive record of every transaction you have made, showing specific dates, amounts, and initial merchant details. It is your primary source for all PayPal-related financial information. After finding your activity, click on any specific transaction you wish to investigate further. A detailed view will then appear, presenting more information about that particular payment. Here, look for the merchant's name, the transaction ID, and the payment status. This detailed screen often provides hints about how the charge will ultimately appear on your bank or credit card statement, making reconciliation much easier. The most definitive way to confirm the statement name is by checking your actual bank or credit card statement. Access your statement through your bank's secure online portal or their mobile app. Find the transaction that matches the date and amount from your PayPal activity. Your bank statement will clearly show the exact name or identifier under which the charge was posted, typically within 24 to 48 hours of the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.